Okay, I just wanted to show you that Becleanlife, they sent us this lithium-ion battery, and it has a couple little pieces of accessories and stuff, a little screwdriver, a little cleaning brush, and what they did was they sent to us this replacement battery, and it goes with our Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner that we have. And so I just thought I'd do a quick little unboxing here and show it to you. It's got the battery there. You can see there's the little connectors and there's the little indicators on it and stuff. And there's where the plug-in goes. And let's see what else is in here. And there's a couple of filters. Yes, good. You can always use some fresh filters. We do clean our filters like, oh, not quite every day, but almost every day, because we have a critter that sheds like a crazy person over there. So anyway, yeah, so good. A couple extra spare filters. That is very nice. So yeah, we'll have to get it charged up and give it a go later on. And yeah, but good. This is good. Thanks for sending that. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. But yeah, I'm pretty excited that we've got a spare battery and extra filters. Yay! Thank you.